Hey YouTube, this is Matt with Mr. Energy. Hey, we're taking this old bicycle and we are making a Drift Trike. So this is a 3-wheel bike that has some wheels on the back that are short, and they have the plastic PVC to help it drift around corners. So one thing I wanted to show you here is we're welding the axle nuts. So we've got a pair of nuts here that I've created a V groove, and we're gonna put a weld right down the middle of those two nuts, and that will hold the nuts in, allowing me to unscrew my axle bolt, making the back of it a little shorter. If we wanted to transport it, maybe fit it in someone's car, we could take the wheels off and not have the axles poking out. So anyhow, again, I've taken a pair of nuts on each side, V-groove on the top and the bottom. I've already welded the underneath. So we're gonna weld these on, let it cool, and then we will have the basic structure of it ready to go. We'll put the seat on and adjust and see where we want that. But stay tuned, we will put some more videos on showing how this thing works. Hey, thanks for watching YouTube, and we'll see you next time. Hey, really quick, we're back and we're gonna show you this weld. Here we go.